This is a beautiful car. It's a 62 Thunderbird Sports Roadster in silver mink with matching interior. How beautiful is this? With air. Check out that tack. This is a beautiful car. Look at that dash, the styling, it's like jet age. Very, very nice. This color is called silver mink. Can't really get around it too much. It's kind of buried in the corner here. Check out the wire wheels. Those are true wire wheels. And that tonneau cover. Such a pretty car. Such a nice, sporty looking, stylish car, isn't it? Love this car. Love, love, love it. It's got the air conditioning, which is not very common on a car from this era. Having a convertible with air. There's the Thunderbird emblem. '62 Thunderbird Sports Roadster. $179,500. Beautiful car. Check out the handle. How they incorporated the chrome into the handle. That's how you open the door. Good Lord, this car is nice. And the embellishments for the 62 model year. Let me step back again. This is one of those cars it's impossible not to fall in love with. Tell me what you think. 1962 Ford Thunderbird Sports Roadster.